tell her, say, I can't deal with this, you know, me I come. I mean, me ask a question. Where she a go? No care the year, Sophia? See, same thing, me I tell her, no. I can't deal with this, guys. I'm tired. I'm tired of food. So, she know anybody up here, so? No, she's not going. Ladies, stop now. Put your slippers. Put your slippers, makeup. Put your slippers. Titi. Titi, listen to me. So, me ask you a question. How far you go with that? Hey. Zoe. Nobody don't really answer people when them have nobody are calling me in this house. Brother, where's sister there? Where's Zoe?
Let her know.
Who you know person? Nobody but so what kind of fuck you? And then see again, you're gonna tell me say people text me on phone and give fucking message. You know people? No. So you know anybody else for social media? So the end of the day, all you go text say telling from people for social media. But I don't love so much attention, so my camera just brace yourself in and give it.
Tell them to stop hurt people's feelings, they must stop the things now with eyesight.
So everything is just all about Kaje for you. Why you have that question? Come up here, sir.
And she never gonna like she an idiot.
Me ask a question, right? Let me ask a question. That's about she a feeling baby mother, right? Why you so fucking hurt? She not go answer, so what you have one suffer? Answer that question, what you have one suffer?
Me not stay around somebody uncomfortable.
Why you make you uncomfortable?
Because I do things now my eyesight and I don't like it. I'm tired now, I'm tired. And you know, I sit down Taji and talk to Taji and ask him what you want. And he come and me
Titi. Oh, the fuck you feel look at me and say things like that to me? You feel like saying I talk to Jagga? Me talk to Jagga, me talk to you. I said to you, leave him alone. They say you're in love with him, Titi. Me said to you, say, Father, that little girl, leave that man alone. You understand what I mean?
I said, tell to avoid the man. He doesn't tell to avoid
so why you keep on saying me don't talk to Jagga? Of course me talk to Jagga. Me talk to Jagga, me tell Jagga, say, listen to me, leave you alone. Me tell you, leave Jagga alone. A Chanel baby.
Jagga like him and leave me alone.
So, we not like to say, Jagga still there?
If you see with one man talk to me right now, he cut me here past me. He cut me in at 2.5. If you see one man talk to me.
May I ask you a question? Yeah, sure. You have to still there?
No.
Say you know the why you have that.
Because I feel the same thing that they don't know.
So just the feelings where I feel, so you ain't not there, you ain't not sleep or nothing at all. It's just the feelings where I feel, you want some. That's it? Why teach you for blood clot? That one your hard. That one your hard, God no.
Wonder which taxi or get her car.
Taxi must run out there.
Which taxi
When you make taxi run go out the girl, you know nobody up your stuff?
No.
So when you talk about girl, say if you're the man of the girl, just relax yourself and come up on your life and relax and make you look up money and fix up your nice little self, no?
I don't know about social media business, because I get front of my brain.
When you're not go past social media because I don't mean I look no money. I don't mean you're not to go past social media.
People are giving me enough money, I don't know if comments.
What do you think, Mika?
Titi, you want to go make she go?
I'm not saying go there, girl, because at the end of the day, may I try my best. May I try
I want LD to drop me off.
You never ask LD to drop you off. I ask Elena to drop you off. You know what I think is, you take things from people. I mean, I force you to see. If I juggle your thing, I juggle your thing. I tell you, say you deserve better than that. You understand me? I say you act like you are the man still asleep. You say you are the man not asleep, see you mean.
But after me and him go to one time, me and him go lie down together and we kiss up and we chat and reason. So I don't know other person him gone out to Airbnb with other women.
When you talk about recently,
the time when they go to a club man and channel everybody come.
That's the reason I mean I go to a club.
Yeah. That's the last time I ever go to a club.
So that means I still asleep with you then?
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, so if I'm picking my box down together.
So you really gonna lie down with Jagger?
I say if I'm pitney when I push out of my home, you see that 5 blood clot, you see 5 fingers across your face now, you know? After all, me you talk so fucking much. You still naive enough to lie down with him? And when you start jump up, you see baby mama jump up. You think she business?
She not jump up, she hide it because she knows.
Because she go back there with him, see him with your girl, me I say to you, so why you can't understand yourself? So you go tell me, say you and him go back a bed just recently when me go to some one day or so. You go lie down with him. I know you're up in your feelings, say you're a woman.
I'm not sure, woman, you don't have no more. When you get money from the car, woman got Airbnb.
Well, fuck your ass, me look at me a bumble clap bump, and I walk back line, you know?
And you baba same bro. I give you like the money to go out there.
What do you? I get a look at joke though. No man, I joke, I get a make. Give me my phone. My phone, I go rest myself, because I joke, I feel some attention here, look. A joke can make though?
No.
If you're bad boy,
no, if a joke can make. I don't, because I see a styling thing you depend. I mean, I depend that thing there with you. Because a joking thing you depend. A joke you depend, man. A joking thing you depend. I smile too, because I see you make a smile when you say it this while ago. You know me not smile over there something there? Yeah. Because I don't think you run up your mother pressure like how you run up mine. Them way there. I not smile with you. You see me? So if you feel say me take money and lend him for go get girl, me not have a problem. I notice say, well, I want to turn down for me. As on a quint, want to turn down for me. If you think you're bad, take your bag and go along. Me not run around my body. Wipe up my phone screen dark because me don't know what to say. Take it and wipe it down.
You're not put that there and please.
What the fuck?
You're going through weed. Him want more guns in that way, you know?
So what are they? So me if you counsel one man for them with you?
No, I mean.
Now that is what you're saying to me. Me counsel the man and me say to the man, say, hey man, they with TT. TT love you, they with TT. So me if you counsel and say to him,
ask him where one.
So me go ask him where man.
You need to let go off of me. Let me free. I'm tired.
Titi, you feel like off a Jagger?
I leg off a Jagger and then.
If you did leg off a Jagger, would that one guy you had?
I go home because I want to get rid of him out of my head.
Well, if I saw her then, I now hold her back. Hey, you what she this girl say? She said, me if you talk to Chaka and ask him what you want, You know see what Jagga want?
What Jagga say? I want
You know see
TT.
what Jagga want? So when me do with it, and everybody want blame me, Jagga. So the end of the day, what about yourself? Me can't come up and put it in front of you, no TT. Me can't come up and put it in front of you. Him a cheat, look at. Him a cheat just the same way how him a cheat on Chanel. I see him with she. So I make it two of them look on themselves and say me deserve fucking better. You understand what I say, Mika? Say you okay, me deserve fucking better. And say you know what, run with this pussy whatever.
And wait till Jagga see if I wanna beat him and I see.
Like she not feeling no weird.
But you fucked up because you today even take on my daughter. We took to all you feel
that if you take on me, Zoe.
You know what it's supposed to do because to all me rated to go and you say you have to be supposed to even argue with my child.
Me in a eat when somebody takes me phone.
No, you're not in a eat. You just get mad and upset when she say woman in a car and want to blame me. Me go for Jagga. Me go say me pity because he's my child. Me not agree with what I do. Me even know what I do. Until me did make
and you need to put me in eye, you know good.
Alright, so if you want me eye, what about you? You don't think if you want me eye?
I heard that woman long time because I see went up to. I mean the panda.
But you still go back and give me boom boom, no? You still go back and like and kiss up, not true. So who for you I want me?
Nobody's.
Who for you I want me?
None of them.
Little girl going out of this.
Every day I'm trying to problem.
Look here, all I do, listen to me. I'm not tell you if you stay here. I'm serious. Call Jabba say can get a ride. You see me? I make you get a ride. You know why you go up on the road with yourself. None of you come from about yourself. So I make you get a ride, I make you get a job. Alright? That's all we can do. Make you get a car and bring you. I'm not keep a year stuff in nobody's stress. Can't come see me. Right? I'm not keep a year stuff. This I don't want to feel sick about that.
They did a clown, but I said a clown and they don't. But they think me a clown, but I said a clown and they don't. They don't want so long and they want cheap for me as a baby mother began.
So you worry about Chanel? Alright, Chanel, listen to me. Chanel, if you worry about herself, if you worry about yourself, because you go say Chanel a clown and the yam. So what are you?
None of them.
None of them. The yam the clown and yam the yam. Yam none of them at all. Okay, alright, Titi. If you tell yourself, if you tell yourself, so fine. But as I said, I don't want to go down the road because I'm not familiar with this place. So I'm going to make a call him. I call my boy there and I call Jabas and see you can get a ride for out or I make you leave and chop you out. By the way, I don't favor call Jabas. When the leave you done, I make you get a ride go out and make you get to go down. You can't go on the road like this. You can't go on the road like this. This is the truth. No, we don't come from both ways. So just give me a couple of minutes when I start out and make you go home. You can do that?
Really?
Alright, just give me a couple of minutes. Look how fast he take up his bag and run go back upstairs. Look how blood clot fast he take up a blood clot bag. Look how fast the bag boom for yourself. Look there. You come back here, so watch her now. Watch her now. Look there. Look how fast. Blood clot attention. Now I can't force nobody in a relationship. My mother tell her that. Man, I sleep with the two and one. I two and one I sleep with. Don't come there. But I go call. I'm tired. I have to take care of myself. I have my opening to do. A lot of people know say me up here so a business me come pan. A lot of people know say a business me come up here so pan. Put in a cooler, Chanel. Well, you know, When time we call you, right? You see if you can get me for God TT for drop her off, please.
Inspiration.
Shana, you could take out $1, she need it a juke me. Just go carry her to the point where she can get a vehicle.
Santa Cruz.
Yeah, I don't know if she know if to go home, but me have to go. I don't know if she know if we done, but me know if I can point her right direction, she can go home. And me carry her as far as me carry her as far as to, we call out this song? What did there? Mandeville.
Yeah.
You think you're good enough here?
Yeah.
Out of Mandeville next week. She take Mandeville and step me for go what Spanish town?
So I take Mandeville to Maple. Maple to Spanish town.
Oh, Mandeville to Maple.
Maple.
I just don't want to wake up. I remember saying nobody don't know about him up there. So where she come from? So she come from Eltham. Still one place named Eltham. So I can't say her up there. And let LD now put Elena, look see if you put one lizard in a look see if you put one lizard in a TT bag. You would have packed it again. You would have never tried to pack a bag there again. No, sir, I feel like we make she go on. I feel like she make she go on now. You understand? Because our mother post me, be a disrespect from our mother. And now she come with all of them something here. I feel like say, yeah, she want to go home, she go home. If I fear her time, no, I fear her time. So I guess she the first person I'm going to leave the house. I guess she's the first person who's going to walk out of the house. So you go. I'm in, walk on, baby. You understand you love somebody so much, but you can't understand yourself. Right? Because all I want for her, I just want she just love the man alone and just focus on herself. You get me? So I guess she can't do that. It's not to say it's too late. I understand say too late, but I can't force her. That I keep on telling her, you know, I can't force her. I'm not going to force nobody pick the car. You go here say, I'm me force her. Her mother curse me. You want your mother say, I'm me set up her picnic. You get when me and say, Titi a dance a road, oh long Titi a dance a road and live something there. And I'm me, her mother take a step pan and say, I'm me make her picnic, I do this and her picnic, I do that. Right? So me, you know, nobody no look pan it and say me salty, you know. Everything and me people blame me as a queen, Annie. You understand what I say? Right? So my time I'm gonna feel up on it and me fed up too. Me I smart it too, you know. I swear to God, me for one if nobody think about fucking me some my time. That me I tell you. I ask my son, I same thing me I ask my son, you not care about me. Like in no way, or nothing say me, like, you know, no son. Let's do the joke. Let's see how much percent. Let me go upstairs. Guys, come go upstairs. May I go upstairs? Thank you, baby. Thank you for the rose. They write out this, I watch Jagger. Write out this, so she didn't write out this, I watch Jagger. She not for the round him for true. It'll get to our brains. Yeah, me I tell her to go up on her life. She didn't write out this, I watch him. Write out this Sunday. Carry this out I do for me, sit down, Papa. Titi, you pay your life. Alright. Yeah. Which part are there? Send me a request. Send me a request, little girl. Alright. You see him. Alright. You see him.